Good morning, guys. Hope y'all are starting your week off well. Today we are going to be talking about undefined fractions. The problem that we have today, which of the following values of x makes this expression undefined? So first we're going to talk a little bit about what undefined means. So what makes a fraction undefined? If the bottom part of a fraction, or what we call the denominator, is 0, then that fraction is considered undefined. Now up here I've got, to solve most of these problems, you need some basic integer rule knowledge as well as being able to solve, on some of them, solving 1 and 2 step equations. So I give an example right here. What value of x in this problem, 2 over x minus 3, would make the denominator 0? What would make this undefined? So all you do is you take what's in the denominator, in a case like this, and set it equal to 0, because whatever's down here has to equal 0. X minus 3 has to equal 0. So what value of x would make that equal 0? You solve it just like we solve equations. To get rid of minus 3, you do the opposite, which is plus 3. If you do it to one side, you do it to the other side to keep it balanced. So these 3's cancel, and you're left with x equals 0 plus 3, which is 3. So 3 minus 3 would be 0. That's how you can kind of check it. 3 is what would make this fraction undefined. So our problem of the day is, let's look at this real quick. Which of the following values of x makes this expression undefined? Well, you have two things being multiplied by each other here, 2x plus 2 and x minus 1. One of those has to equal 0 because anything times 0 is 0. So either 2x plus 2 has to equal 0 or x minus 1 has to equal 0. So basically you're going to have to do two different equations here. 2x plus 2 equals 0 and x minus 1 equals 0. When you solve 2x plus 2, you subtract. This is two steps here. You're multiplying by 2, adding 2. So to start, you subtract 2 from both sides. That leaves you just 2x over here and negative 2, because 0 minus 2 is negative 2. Then to get rid of the 2 coefficient of x, that means 2 times x, so you divide by 2. Negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1, so x equals negative 1. To solve for this, all you have to do is add 1 to both sides, so x equals 1. So either of those values, negative 1 or 1, could make this expression undefined. So let's go back and look and see what our options were. So negative 1 or 1, the only one they have here is negative 1, so we are going to choose that. And that is the correct answer, and they did exactly what we did. They solved the negative 1 and the 1. So what I'm going to do later today, I'm going to do another video, excuse me, that's going to have a couple more problems like this on it so that we can get a little extra practice. I may start doing that every day, do a morning and an afternoon video, one to kind of introduce a concept, and then an afternoon one to kind of carry it on a little bit further. Because we really need to get serious about doing a little more learning and keeping our minds busy while we're at home. So I will most likely see y'all in a few hours on another video, but I hope your week is starting off well. Hope you're staying busy. If you have questions on this or anything else, please give me a call, and I look forward to hearing from each of you. I miss you all so much, and I will see you in a little bit. Bye.